kid, hope you are doing great today. Today we are doing nursery English paper. Let's start. First topic is basic line pattern. Let's see. Pre-writing stroke. In this topic, basic lines are standing line, these are standing line, sleeping line, these are sleeping line. See here, right sleeping line, these are right sleeping line, left sleeping line, these are left sleeping line, left curve, these are left curve, right curve, these are right curve, upward curve, these are upward curve, downward curve, these are downward curve. Let's see with example. These are example of pre-writing stroke. Trace the letter using line. We have to do trace the letter. Let's start with F. The above letter are standing and sleeping line, both. Trace the letter like this. Next, E. Next, H. Next, I. Next, T. Next, L. Next is slanting line. The line which is not standing and sleeping called slanting line. Let's see with example. A is slanting line. M is also slanting line. Let's trace with line K. V. W. N. X. Y. Z. These are slanting line. Next, curve line. Let's trace B, C, D, G, J, O, P, R, Q, U, S. These are curves line. Next, English alphabet का next topic है object related to each other. Let's see. A for ant, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for fan, G for girl, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for man, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, for rat, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas, Y for yacht, and Z for zoo. Topic is मैच दी सेम लेटर. अब हमने अल्फ़ाबेट सीख लिया है. अब हमें मैच करना है सेम लेटर को. ए, वेयर इज ए को इसे मैच करना है. नेक्स्ट बी, वेयर इज बी को ढूंढना है, मैच करना है. नेक्स्ट सी, वेयर इज सी को फाइंड आउट करेंगे, मैच करेंगे. नेक्स्ट डी को भी मैच करेंगे. नेक्स्ट एफ, फाइंड आउट एफ हियर, match with F. That's all for today, kids. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe.